Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to convert USDT to XRP on the OKX platform in 2025. If you're into crypto trading, you know that USDT is a stablecoin and XRP is a fast-growing digital asset, making this swap a smart move for diversification. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do it yourself in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have an OKX account set up. If you're new, head to the OKX website or app and sign up. Don't forget to verify your identity for full access. Once you're logged in, go to the Trade or Exchange section. OKX has streamlined its interface by 2025, so look for the Spot Trading or Asset Swap option to keep things simple and secure. Step 1. Select USDT from your wallet. This is your starting point, so make sure you have enough USDT balance. Step 2. Choose XRP as the asset you want to convert to. You'll see real-time exchange rates, which can fluctuate, so keep an eye on the market. XRP might be volatile, but that's where the opportunities lie. Step 3. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to convert. OKX will show you the estimated XRP you'll receive, including any fees. Speaking of fees, in 2025, OKX offers competitive rates, but always double-check to minimize costs. Step 4. Review and confirm your transaction. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes. Crypto moves are irreversible. After confirmation, the conversion should process quickly, often in seconds thanks to OKX's advanced blockchain tech. Step 5. Once done, check your XRP balance in your wallet. You're all set. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication for security, especially with rising crypto scams. And remember, crypto markets can be unpredictable, so only convert what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.